when my new restaurant is completed, I think I'm going to close down the Dr. Bird's Grill and reopen it under a new name and cater to those who appreciate five-star dining. What do you think?
Yeah, I guess. You should know how it works.
What's the matter, Jax? Am I boring you?
Yeah, sorta.
Whoa, that hurts. You could have told me to shut up.
Well, just the truth. I mean, conversation is good, but there's a time and place for that. You know what? Keep talking while I take care of myself. How's that?
Oh, you're ready to get it on. You should have told me.
Oh God. Why do I need to tell you? Do I have to spell it out for you? Okay, let's have sex.
Oh, come on.
You know, just forget it. Jackie, come on. Just go. I'll be fine. Go take care of your restaurants.
If you give me the chance, I can be ready again in about an hour.
Horace, just get dressed and leave now. I'll be fine. I have my toys. They always get the job done.
Okay, I'll call you.
Whatever. Later. Oh, I'm Diane. Not a thing. Just here frustrated. Wow. It's been a long time. Sure. Let's do that. Sounds great. I know the perfect place too. Tell you what. Let me finish some business. Then I'll hop in the shower and come pick you up. See you around 9. Okay? Bye-bye.
Everything looks so good, we can't decide for order.
Good night. Welcome to the Dr. Bird Grill. Oh, I'm Jackie. What can I get you beautiful ladies?
Jackie, order for me. I trust your taste.
Hi, Steve. We'll have some champagne first, alright?
So you say, usual?
You know what? I don't feel like rosé tonight. I want something high on the shelf.
No watch out, man. I'll give all the boss and friend them drinks, eh? I'll take good care of them, man.
I know you will.
Boy, Jackie, I know it was a bold step. Actually, like your hair like this. What convinced you to do it?
You really prefer it like this?
You know it don't take much for you to look good. But your hair like this make you look like high school days. Them can't talk to you.
I'm glad you really like it. Anybody else can kiss my you know what. But I always care what you think. It's just all a part of the new improvement.
So how do I like it? When I'm specifics, cause you know him like long hair.
Here you go, ladies. The best. And I'm gonna be over here when you're ready for order. Alright?
Oh, thanks, Steve. You're a darling.
Anything for you, Miss Jackie.
Oh, how nice.
Miss Jackie? Wait, what's going on? You're a VIP here? Cheers. Say that dance on me. Who's so important here? You did do it or something? Eh? Wait, you and Danny break up?
Please. Danny's a dog. A cheater. A liar. A slob. And to top it off, he's now broke. He had to go.
So Jackie, you really like this new guy? Or is he just for sports? What's his name?
Horace Dudley. Cute, right?
Wow. It just seems a bittersweet, you know?
What do you mean by that?
It's just sad to see you and Danny break up. I could have swear you guys were gonna tie the knot. But it seems you're happy with the rest. I guess. You don't miss him.
Well, to answer the latter part of your statement, no I don't. No time to cry over spilled milk. And I never said I was happy with Horace either.
But if you're not happy with him, why waste your time?
Let's just say it has its benefits.
Like what? Coming here to eat?
What a way you're bright. Man can get me with food. What an insult. If I never love you, I'd have just wet you. Feisty.
And you know me just a play with you. I know you're a go-getter in every sense of the word. Boy, I should have seen your face a while ago.
You know, he's really a good guy. Just needs some work in the bedroom, that's all.
What, if you don't mind me asking, is it a serious issue?
You would just love to know the details of my love life, wouldn't you?
Sorry for prying.
Well, if you must know, he has an endurance problem. But I guess his tongue can always be a workaround.
Oh my god, Jack, you're not easy, you know? You're not easy.
Oh yeah? Then better satisfy me, or someone else will. Anyway, enough about me. What's going on in your life? How are things with you and Mr. Entertainer?
Mark? I'll break up with him.
Good for you, Diane. Always knew you could do way much better than him. He's why I never came by to see you more often. I can't stand men who live off women. Oh, good for you.
I wouldn't put it quite like that. His career's in a slump, but I never needed his money. You know that. But he did cook and kept the house clean and pampered me. And the sex was good.
Trust me, Diane. I know all about those so-called domesticated men. They cook, they clean, all that good stuff. And while you're at work, they're trying to screw anything breathing. I'll bet that's what he did to you.
Jackie, I was so hurt and embarrassed by it. Men don't think we can sense when something is not right. I had my suspicions, so when they took my car, and I had put a recording device in it, and I heard all that I needed to hear.
Dan, I'm so proud of you for waking up. This deserves a toast. Come on, up your glass. To our friendship, and to our future. And let it be a future free of broke and crony men. Down the hatch.
Cheers. However I'm there, I really wish him the best. I really do.
Please, may I beg you? Pussy, you stuck or you deaf?
I'm off gun!
What you say? You alright? I guess we should have called me some man, right? Precious of life. Yo, bad, right? Yeah, man, I'm tough. Man, I forgot to do some serious work. Yeah, man, we have work on some big tune, man. I've put Hostile Records on top. You see it? Yo, them taught their music to my ears. You see me? I'm not spare no expense neither. And if a guy have to get roughed up, so be it. Cause my thing I forgot through. Yeah. Boss, everything is a go, see? Yo, kinda easy for the boss thing, see? Just smile out. Yeah, I'm so come. Yeah, I do some hard work and focus more from you know. Cause enough money, tears and blood, literally, it take for this possible. So losing is not an option. So do the thing later. Yeah, man, little more. Yo, Milo, me about the blue car, see? You're good, man. Yo, let me out now. Yes, my youth. Bailando, mi amigo, ¿cómo está? Muy bien, usted. Bailando, mi amigo. I keep my promise, eh? You making me happy. I'm making you happy, my friend. Oh, I never doubted for a minute, Pepe. I know you're much official. Seen? I am bringing for you a token of me appreciation. But Pepe, that looks like more than 100,000. What's the catch, man? Mi amigo, this is no cash. Poquito problema. I say perhaps mi amigo Milando probably fix it for me. This is no catch, no pressure, no nothing. So maybe you help me, my friend. Pepe, I normally wouldn't commit to something before I know what it is, you know. But obviously, you must think I'm capable. And I know I can call on you anytime. So much on the back. 250, mi amigo. But Pepe, that's a lot of dough for Paquita Problema, man. That's killing money. Malando, you have very keen sense. It's good for less long time, this business. See? See. So the problem, Pepe. ¿Qué es el problema? Very good. Habla español mucho bueno. Vamos, let's talk. Peso los papeles, no los papeles, ¿no? I need for you to help get my message across. Pepe means business, see?
Who's there?
I'm here, Diane. Mark.
Why you with a shoot before calling?
Why you have to make it look so? You don't even give me a chance to good afternoon. Just cool, Diane.
It's like you still don't get it. It's funny to you, right? Oh, Diane, just get over it. That will suit you just fine, right? Just sweep it under the rug, right, Mark?
Man, I say that. I'm not thinking funny neither. But as I say, damn, I like 8-9 months now. And still no room for forgiveness. Eh?
Oh, forgiveness. Is that what you want, Mark? Just forget about the whole betrayal aspect of it. After all I did for your broke, washed up ass. Let me tell you something. You're dirty, you're nasty, and you're low. Get the fuck out of here.